John, a 52-year-old businessman, was home alone when he felt a sharp pain in his chest. He ignored it, thinking it was indigestion. Minutes later, he collapsed, but it was too late by the time help arrived. Now, imagine Sarah, a 47-year-old teacher, who also felt chest pain one evening, but she recognized the signs, chewed aspirin, and called for help immediately. Sarah survived. What made the difference? Knowing what to do. In this video, I'll show you the critical steps to survive a heart attack when no one's around. These steps could save your life or someone you love. Let's dive in. Heart attacks aren't always dramatic. Often, they begin with subtle signs: pressure in your chest, pain radiating to your arms, jaw, or back, shortness of breath, or a cold sweat. In some cases, the symptoms may even feel like indigestion. For women, signs can include unusual fatigue or back pain. The moment you notice something off, stop everything. Acting early can make all the difference. Step 1 is always to call for help. Dial emergency services and put your phone on speaker. The operator will guide you, freeing your hands to focus on staying calm. Even if you're unsure it's a heart attack, don't risk waiting. It's better to be safe than sorry. If you have aspirin within reach, chew it, not swallow it. Chewing allows it to work faster, thinning your blood and reducing damage to your heart. Preparedness matters. A product like the first aid, only 299-piece all-purpose emergency kit, includes aspirin and other essentials to help in emergencies. I've linked it below. This simple kit could save your life. Next, focus on your breathing. Take slow, deep breaths. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold it briefly, and exhale slowly. This helps your heart work more efficiently and keeps panic at bay. Sit down to avoid falling and conserve your energy. If you feel faint, lie down immediately. The best position is on your side, with your knees slightly bent. This keeps your airways clear and reduces the strain on your heart. Don't walk or stand. Every movement costs precious energy. The first hour after a heart attack, the golden hour, is critical. The faster you get medical attention, the better your chances of survival. Recognizing the signs, acting fast, and staying conscious can buy you the time you need to get help. John didn't know the signs, but Sarah did, and it saved her life. The difference was knowledge and action. Share this video with your loved ones because this information can truly save lives. Hit the like button, subscribe for more life-saving tips, and remember, preparedness is power.